Ever struggled to get perfectly even slices of carrots, onions, or zucchini? The Progressive Adjust-A-Slice Mandoline solves that problem with ease. Whether you're prepping tomatoes for a salad or slicing kiwi for a snack, this tool delivers consistent, uniform slices every time. The sliding button lets you choose between 3 thicknesses, thin, medium, or thick, so you get exactly what you need for any recipe. What sets this mandoline apart is its angled blade, designed for efficient slicing that saves time and effort. The wider surface fits larger fruits and vegetables comfortably, while the non-skid base and ridges keep the slicer steady on your countertop or balanced over a bowl. This stability means safer slicing and less mess. Plus, the included finger guard protects your hands as you glide your food across the blade, making it easy to slice confidently without worry. I was hesitant to try a mandoline at first, worried about safety and complexity. But after giving the Progressive Smart Slice a shot, I'm convinced it's a kitchen must-have. It features a 4-level thickness dial and a safety lock to close the blade completely when not in use. The hand guard cleverly attaches to the food holder, preventing it from slipping while slicing, and has a special opening for feeding skinny items like carrots upright. It even doubles as a grater by flipping up the lid, versatility that's rare in a slicer. Cleaning is simple too. While it's dishwasher safe, hand washing keeps it in top shape longer. The non-slip feet and groove near the bottom make it easy to slice or grate directly into a bowl, cutting down on cleanup time. When you're done, it folds flat for compact storage. It's a smart investment for anyone who loves fresh salads, homemade fries, or meal prep that looks as good as it tastes. If you're tired of uneven slices and unsafe cutting tools, the Progressive Adjust-A-Slice Mandoline is worth a look. It offers reliable performance, adjustable thickness options, and thoughtful safety features that make kitchen prep faster and more enjoyable. Try it when you're ready to slice smarter and safer. Your meals will thank you.